Why don't y'all take a look at this, man?
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna be honest with you, I've never built a PC before in my life. You know, I know a little bit about computers, but I've never built a computer. I don't even know what I need to open first. I guess I'm gonna start with the case, that makes sense. You see, the craziest thing about this for me is I have no idea how long of a mission this is going to be. Absolutely no clue.
What the hell?
Hey, wait a minute. I'm not gonna lie. This case look nice. Okay, Corsair. Hey, I ain't gonna lie to you. She looking kind of good. She looking kind of good. Ain't gonna lie to you. Ain't gonna lie to you. It's just, oh yeah.